Yes, Moira, what's the problem? Nasira po kasi itong CP ko. Paano ba to?
Paano na yan, te? Tignan mo yung post sa Blue Up. 10K na lang daw yung iPhone 13 sa store nila.
Ma'am, may I go out? I proceed. Manang,
Yes, iPhone?
10K na lang tong iPhone 13 yun, no?
Eksena walang 10K na iPhone.
Pero sabi sa Blue Up meron.
Kasi iha, strategy lang namin yun para pumunta kayo sa store namin.
Oh, ba't manamot ang beshi ko?
Nabudol yan. Nako, F-grades yan. Kaya naman nagbabalik ang Mac na Mac this 99. It's all about zero tricks, 100% legit deals. Get exclusive deals and freebies like this 2-piece golden curry with Coke and free sundae. Double cheeseburger with free upgrade to medium fries and drink at Big Mac with free upgrade to medium fries and drink on the McDonald's app from September 9 to 20. Download now! Grabe, ganitong modo lang hindi ko pagsisisihan. Sa'yo worth it. Excuse me, ma'am. Guys, Ma'am Principal? Okay, class, batiin si Ma'am Principal.
Good after.
Bakit may kumakain sa klase mo?
Nag-alok ba yan?
Ay, sorry po.